In this video, we have compiled a list of all the great and wonderful things to do in County Cavan, famous for being the source of the River Shannon, which is the longest river that runs throughout Ireland. On the Connolly Cove website, we have collated a guide for touring the county, providing you with a list of things to do in Cavan. At number 1, we recommend you to visit the Castle Saunderson, a historic site located near Belturbet. The current structure, built in the early 19th century, stands on the site of a previous castle that dates back to the 17th century. The Saunderson family, who built and resided in the castle, were prominent local figures. The most notable among them was Edward James Saunderson, a leading Unionist politician in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Unfortunately, the castle fell into disrepair after the Saunderson family sold the estate. It was gutted by a fire in 1990 and remained in a derelict state for many years. However, in recent years, Castle Saunderson has seen a revival as part of a major scouting redevelopment project. The castle was officially opened in 2012 and now provides indoor accommodation and camping facilities for scout and guide groups. Cavan Burren Park is a prehistoric park and a great place to explore ancient tombs, fantastic geological features, and stunning viewpoints. It is located in the townland of Black Lion in County Cavan and forms part of the larger Marble Arch Caves Global Geopark. The park is known for its rich archaeological and historical heritage. It houses a number of significant ancient monuments, including megalithic tombs, burial sites from the Neolithic or New Stone Age period, stone walls, hut sites, and ancient field systems. County Cavan is a brilliant spot for families, from exploring the rural landscapes to building your very own bear to take home. Bear Essentials is home to the largest collection of teddy bears in Ireland. Here, your little ones can create their very own teddy bear, which will make for a very special and tangible memory. The store also supplies collectible and limited edition bears and is a unique experience that's unlike anywhere else. Bring your family along to visit Lough Sheelin, a lake located in the northern Midlands of Ireland, bordering County Westmeath, County Meath and County Cavan. The lake spans over 20 square kilometres and is part of the Upper Shannon catchment. Lough Sheelin is also known for its trout fishing, attracting anglers from all around the world. This Cavan County Museum in Ballyghamesduff has exhibitions covering the history of Cavan from prehistoric times right through the Middle Ages and the 20th century. The museum also includes a detailed exhibit on the Great Famine, paying homage to the hardships of Irish people at that time. It is one of the more unusual things to do in Cavan, but definitely worth the visit. Although the caves themselves are primarily in County Fermanagh, much of the geopark extends into County Cavan. It's a UNESCO site featuring a range of mystical caves that you can explore via guided tours. The Marble Arch Caves are a remarkable system of natural limestone caves, renowned for their intricate network of subterranean rivers, waterfalls, winding passages and lofty chambers. The caves were formed over millions of years by the slow action of water dissolving the limestone rock. Today, they offer an enchanting glimpse into a fascinating hidden world beneath the surface of the earth. Whatever you decide to get up to in County Cavan, it's sure to be a time filled with fun experiences and adventures. If you're interested in more things to see and do in surrounding counties, check out connollycove.com.